Afternoon world, Hippy Trev here. Oh, beautiful day up here in paradise, so roll that intro.
Hi, Hippy Trev here, and welcome to my channel. Hope you get something out of it.
Right, afternoon world. Late start to one today. I've been busy all morning doing a few things. A few showers around. We might get another storm coming through. I thought we were going to have one the other day and buttoned everything down, and we got a nice bit of lightning, nice crack of thunder and a tiny drop of rain, and that was about it, so nothing really came of it. But anyway, you just never know. Hang on. A scratch on my lens there. I see a spot on my lens there. I hope it doesn't make any difference. So anyway, righty, well, just grab some tools out of the front of the bike. Mainly just at the moment my Allen keys. Cause I'll set you up into here best I can. I've got an air cleaner. It's not air cleaning. Look at it, it's just all bouncing around there. I rode this down to Gympie the other day with Calypso, and yeah, we did a little bit of gravel, and that sure as shit ain't meant to be bouncing around in there like that, so I did clean it recently, but so I don't know what's going on there. And I've also, whoops, fuck me. I've also noticed, sorry, I don't really like this air cleaner, but it'll work better than the stupid teardrop one I had, and it came with the bike, but I'm also missing another Allen key there, so. I don't know what you can see in there. Anyway, let's get this air cleaner off. So yeah, we did the ride down with Calypso, down to Darren Cross's, and yeah, I took it on the gravel road. And that so I can't leave that air cleaner like that. That's just going to kill my motor. I remember years ago the old man on the farm was getting some work done on one down the back morass, and he had a dozer working down there, and apparently the dozer had a gap or a split in the air cleaner line from the oh that's right, these stupid things up the top, which I don't have. They're stupid. I've got to get pliers. Yeah, between the air cleaner and the engine, didn't have any, it had a split in the hose, that's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, about 4 or 5 hours later, black smoke started coming out. And then within a day or so, he'd literally blown the motor up, so yeah, do not run without an air cleaner. So clean air cleaner, not much in there. So what went wrong when I put it back together to have that air cleaner not air cleaning? That's literally what I'm going to call this video. My Harley air cleaner is no longer air cleaning for whatever reason. So I need to try and get it back together. I need to try and get this back together and have a cleaning. So that goes there. So line up with that hole. I'll just check that. Yep, all right, that goes, whoop. That goes there. This does go on there. And then I've got these couple of bits here. I don't really remember how this went together, to tell you the truth. That is supposed to lock on somehow. I really don't remember. Well, that's as dry as a nun's. That's as dry as a nun's nasty. It's actually starting to that is actually starting to disintegrate. Damn it. And I don't know how this actually goes together. I'm pretty sure that yeah, that's how it goes, right. So they just, pretty sure that presses in there and locks everything in, right. I'm only going to put some petrol on that, soak it. Yeah, this is I think I'm going to need a new one of these. This is starting to look a bit cruddy. So I'll put that into there. I'm pretty sure that locks in there, which is what I didn't do. There we go. That's better. Rightio. I didn't put that together the right way the first time. I think that goes there like that. And put that there like that. And hopefully when I go to put it together, it'll, doesn't want to bloody stay there. I do not like this air cleaner. I think it's a piece of shit myself. Maybe that goes, does it go like that? No, it's got to go like that. That goes there like that. That sits in on top of it, like so. I can talk about dodgy brothers. And that goes up into there. And the whole thing's still, and the whole thing in there is just not fucking air cleaning. I thought there's something missing. Totally like there's something missing. That air cleaner is not air cleaning. That's fucked. That is not working. So why isn't it working? It's like there's something missing, but there's not. Yeah, that is not doing what it's supposed to do. Okay, I'm gonna have to head into the shed and see if I can find something. Something's definitely crook in Tullarook. I don't remember it being like that. So something's, I need something in there. All right, later worlds, I'm going to catch you. I'm going to go and try and find something to fit in there and make that secure. So rightio worlds, I'll come back to you a bit later. Oh, rightio worlds, I think I found the problem. Totally wrong air cleaner. So I've got the original one. I'll show you in a minute. I'm just going to put a bit of petrol in here and give her a bit of a bath. And me. Petrol is the best hand cleaner you'll ever get. Good old petroleum. So I'm going to show you over here. This is the one I took out of it. This is the one that's, I'm pretty sure, came with it. And there's a huge size difference. So that is a no-go. This one is. Now let's give it a bit of bath here in petrol. I'll get my air compressor, blow it all out. Definitely a few greeblies in there. Rightio. I'll give that a bit of a wash as well. So that was the problem. That's the same air cleaner I had in Perth and took everywhere with me. I didn't notice that that wasn't fitting right. I didn't notice when I put it on there, however long ago that was. Poor old bike definitely needs clean. I don't like this air cleaner, it's a piece of shit. And of course in the wet weather it's just one big fucking water scoop. And anyway, alright, let's get back to lining this hole up. Yep, that's lined up. This is definitely going to work a lot better. Everything fits better. Like I can put that there and it stays there. I can put that on there. Well, that doesn't go on there, inside it. I don't think. Nope, doesn't go inside the air cleaner, so just checking. And there's still a couple of things in there I want to get out. I'm out of air. Just a quick check over everything. Make sure it's clean, which it is. Oh, and also, I want to say shout out to Anthony Musk, who sent me the wooden truck model that I last built, and that somehow mysteriously seemed to catch fire at the end of the video. Anthony, mate, I'm really sorry if I upset you over all that. I really didn't mean to. You know, this is YouTube, and I'm a bit of a character, as you know, and yes, I'm wiping my mic down with petrol. I certainly didn't mean to upset you, and I'm really sorry that I did when the model somehow seemed to self-combust. So, mate, I'm really sorry about that. I certainly didn't mean to upset you. Like I said, this is our YouTube channel. Things get done for theatrics. Now that doesn't fit. What's going on there? I'm going the wrong way. What the fuck is happening? Well, that definitely goes there. So that's got to be recessed. I'm sure that gets recessed into there. Yeah, it does. It's just got to get into position. And then that should just... That does not. Well, I'm doing something wrong. That doesn't work. Doesn't go, certainly doesn't go that way, but if I'm putting it in this way, how it's supposed to go, sits in that recess there, it doesn't go together. Unless that is supposed to go inside that air filter, but it doesn't seem to, it doesn't fit. Or does it fit? And I'm just not doing it right. Alright, let's try this. Ah, there we go. Alright. Now I've got it together properly. That goes like that. That goes like that. I need to go and find another Allen key, I think. Oh, that's definitely the wrong one. Yeah, it definitely feels like a bit of storm around, so... Alright. I will be looking for another right size fitting air filter, because that certainly, that one was not one. That, I think that came with that S&S teardrop I bought that I actually sold that recently. I put that on the bike and it's just sucked so much fuel because it wasn't and it wasn't even a true S&S anyway. It was just a teardrop air cover, and it certainly wasn't S&S because it didn't have an S&S written on it. And I've had S&S teardrop covers on my last two bikes. One had a Super B carby. I love the Super B, big old Super B hanging out about here, and the other one was a Super E carby, and they both had they were both S&S with the S&S air cleaner covers. Give that a bit of a wipe. I'll go and have a look in the shed in a minute and see if I can find myself another Allen screw to fit. A bit light on those things. Rightio. What does that look like? Yep, see, that's now air cleaning the way it's supposed to. What a shame I left it so long, but it's probably a good thing. I never racked up too many miles on this bike. I didn't ride it very much while I was in Perth. Got home, didn't ride it much at all. Done a couple of short runs with it. Like I said the other day when I went to take off down to Darren Cross, down in Gympie with Calypso there, and then I first noticed, oh shit, my air cleaner's not right. So anyway, that's back how it should be. That was the wrong air cleaner. So, but anyway, we live and learn. I didn't do that many miles on it with the air cleaner bouncing around like that, but I did do a short amount of Ks, and it was, you know, And as we all know, you shouldn't be driving or riding around with any air cleaners or non-working air cleaners like that dozer did. Like within 2 days, it literally killed the motor of that dozer. And that was a pretty big ass. I think it was like a D7 or something the old man had working there. So, like I didn't do too many miles on this until I got it sorted. So, got the real outlet. So I've got the real air cleaner back in there. That's all nice and tight and butted up. She should be breathing a lot better now and also breathing a lot more clean air. So, and Anthony, like I said, mate, sorry if I upset you. That wasn't what it was about. Look, when you're buying these sort of models and you know, like, I noticed it came direct from the company, so you sort of saw it and thought you were doing the right thing. And, you know, I appreciate everything that's ever sent to me. I really do. I've actually bought models myself that when I put them together are just absolute crap because they are that late model, cheap Chinese shit made, or they were just poor quality production. And they were hard to make good, and I've got a couple there that were just absolute shit models, and it's a risk you take when you're buying. So, mate, like I said, I'm really sorry I upset you. I only did it for a bit of theatrics at the end of the film. I mean, there was no way I was going to put that model on the shelf. It really was. Well, it was what it was, and we all saw that. So I really meant no offence by it. I really appreciate what you did sending it to me. So, anyway, mate, I apologise for that, and hopefully you're okay. But it was. For those who didn't see it, I'll chuck it up now. One, I thought it was a bit of a fitting end to the video, and two, I just, you know, this is YouTube, you know, I'm a character, you do shit like that, so. And also, as we come to the end, just a quick reminder, my new stickers are in. They're very glossy. They actually almost look like 3D, and they actually look like they're made out of 35mm film. So they're the new stickers. If anyone wants one, they're $5 each. And as I say, what you do is you send a self-stamped address envelope to Hippy Trev at 21 Tarleton Street, Bickerton, 4621 Queensland, with $5 in it, and I will send you a sticker. Now, someone said, what about overseas? I take overseas currency. I'll take a $5 US currency. I'll take whatever, you know, what's that, £2.50 in England, whatever. So yeah, I take currency from all over the world. So, like I said, just if you're sending from overseas, just make sure you put Australia at the bottom. So yeah, there's new stickers. So if you want a sticker, they're $5. So just send a self-stamped address envelope to Hippy Trev, 21 Tarleton Street, Bickerton, 4621 Queensland, Australia, and we'll chuck a sticker in the mail there for you. So anyway, world, that's that done. Bike's back on the road. Air cleaner's eating. The air cleaner's air cleaning the way it's supposed to. I'm glad I didn't leave that too long before I got it sorted out, and I now realised what I have to do if I need to get a new air cleaner, or sort of, well, I now realise what I need to do if I need to get a new air filter. I'll literally take that one on and probably take it into Harley or somewhere and see if I can get one to match up with it. So, like I said, that one, too thin, too big, definitely the wrong one. So, anyway, worlds, stickers here, bike's back on the road. Big shout out to Red for the other day. That was awesome, Red. Really appreciate you sending me that letter out of the blue like that. And I'm definitely going to have a few stickers in the mail for you, because I know you've got stickers of mine already, but these are the new prints, so I'll do the same thing, and I'll return the favour and send you a couple of new ones for you and your dad and maybe your brother and sister. So anyway, worlds, that's it for this one. So stay safe, keep your knees in the breeze, and we'll catch you later. Bye.